one's easier, huh?
What's happening tonight is a regular Friday night folk dance. It happens every Friday night, year-round, for probably almost 50 years here in Juneau. We'll dance and teach, and everyone just has a good time. Dancing is just dances that people do all the time. In the late 60s, early 70s, there was a kind of a rebirth of folk dance clear across the United States. We mostly concentrate on the dances from other countries, from all over the world. We do high society dances and the peasant dances and a little bit of all kinds of things. One thing I like to emphasize is trying to show that dances can be done in different combinations of people. So often in our society, dances are couple dances. You have to have a partner to dance. And a lot of the folk dances are not done that way. Some of them are national dances, some of them are regional dances, some of them are very city-specific dances. The dances that would like to be done at weddings and parties and when everyone gets together to have a good time, or, you know, they're just real traditional dances.
This dance is a kujawiak, and it's a dance for couples, and it's one of the 5 national dances of Poland. So it's a style of dancing, like we do waltzes, they do kujawiaks. And they do them in all different formations, and people invent new sequences and that sort of thing. So this is a particular sequence that was performed by the Merricks, who are a Polish couple that are now living in Vermont, I think. Walk, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, back, pose.
Okay, Judy, we got it now.
Okay, let's try it with the music. Right. Slow. Walk. Back up. Face your partner. Turn. Walk.
Right after instruction, we form a big circle and we introduce everybody and give announcements and let everyone know what's happening in the dance world. And then we do request dancing for about another hour and a half. People are interested in other cultures, and one of the ways to understand those cultures are through their leisure activities and their dances and their costumes and that sort of thing. So this attracts a lot of people. A lot of people just like the high energy that it takes, like aerobic dances, even though some of them aren't fast, but they like being with other people that they've met and just a chance to get together.
International folk dancing is one way to stretch your horizons. We'll be back again next week on Rain Country and try stretching them in another direction. And you'll be right in step if you join us then. I'm Scott Foster. Have a good day.